When it comes to protecting your home or business with the very best in fire protection equipment and service, you only want the very best, and that's what our professionals at Benco Systems Incorporated offer. We specialize in the expert design, installation, maintenance, monitoring, testing, and inspections of security and life safety systems since 1981. Our highly trained team of professionals are equipped to handle all aspects of residential and commercial safety systems. We only offer state-of-the-art equipment. Our customized systems are able to monitor intrusion, detect fire, and protect your family and employees from being in any danger. We also offer complete closed-circuit surveillance with remote internet viewing and smartphone apps. We even do private investigation services with surveillance, general investigations, asset investigations, and process services. Call us today for a free estimate at 281-931-8848. Visit our website for a look at all of our quality services at BencoSystemsInc.com.